and I'm better or whatever. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be this tutorial looking like a whole schneck. So basically it's inspired by the weather right now. I live in the UK and sis, currently, let me tell you how cold it is right now. Currently -6 degrees, and if you know me, I'm just really over it. And so I thought, let me cheer myself up and do a little sunset tutorial since we ain't seen the sun. We ain't seen the sun since like July though. Man's freezing. Yeah? Sun, sort it out. And yeah, since man's not been hot, I thought, let me put a sunset on my eyes, you know. Hopefully the sun can feel my pain and just come back. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos. And I love you guys. Bye. Mwah. This is why I love my first wigs. This wig is bomb. Like, all the wigs are always bomb. They always come pre-plucked. The lace is always looking cute. Like, the quality is just 10 out of 10 for a 10 out of 10 kind of girl, you know what I'm saying. Look, it's already plucked, yeah, so I'm really just being extra. Like, there's actually no need, but I just always like to pluck it a little bit more just to make sure it looks extra natural, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna take some foundation. Try and use foundation that you don't really use too much, so you're not really wasting it, and then a brush, and then I'm just gonna get the foundation and put it at the back of your hand, tap it onto the brush, and then go under the lace and just dab it in. So then this is basically the equivalent to tinting your lace, but if you don't got time for all of that, you know. So you just put it under the lace and then it makes a massive difference. In the My First Wigs box, by the way, the wig comes in this package. When I say quality, honey, yeah, it comes with 2 wig caps. Comes with this zip bag that has some tools in there that you might need to like sort your hair out. Basically, it has a rat tail comb, some clips, and it has some grips. Take some scissors, and then I'm gonna cut the lace, and then I'm gonna use my Gratsi when the hair is laid to the point where you don't even need makeup too tough. Like, what? Like, I feel like I don't even need makeup. I should just stop here, you know? But we're still gonna put makeup on though, you know. You already know. But no, seriously, I feel cute. I feel kind of cute or whatever. If you want a full review on this, then wait till the end. From myfirstwigs.com, thebomb.com. So I'm going to move on to the makeup. What I'm going to start with is my LA Pro Conceal on my eyelids. I'm going to be colour correcting my lids as always to make sure that the colour that I'm going to be putting on my eyes, the eyeshadow, is going to pop and it's going to be visible. So yeah, I'm going to set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm actually going to be using the orange, not the yellow. I don't know why I forgot to record the clip of the orange, but anyway, I'm going to be sweeping that orange on my eyelid as a transition colour to give that whole sunset kind of look, and then I'm going to be cutting the crease with my Fawn concealer again. I love using this because it just makes everything so much easier. You don't need a brush because the end of the concealer is really pointy, so definitely a life hack. And then I'm going to set that again with my powder, and then I'm going to move on with the yellow. I'm going to pack that onto the lid, trying to be as neat as possible, and then clean it up with a thinner brush to make the cut crease a little bit more sharp. And then I'm going to be using this glitter pen from Poundland. Yeah, I'm going to leave that in the description. So I'm going to be going over that cut crease with the gold liner, and then I'm going to be using my black liquid liner just to line my lid a little bit, not too thick because then it will take away from the whole sunset look. And I'm going to be using a thin brush to sharpen up that eyeshadow look. I think it just looks a lot cleaner, a lot better, and a lot like bolder basically. And then I'm going to drag that concealer down a little bit. So then I'm going to be using these lashes, which are Cocoa lashes in the style Queen Bee. These are like my favorite lashes right now. They're like the perfect combination of dramatic and wispy. And then I'm going to be covering that lash band with a liner. And then I'm using my favorite primer, which is the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation all over my face. This is like my favorite right now as well. It's super high coverage. I need to find another foundation, guys. If you have recommendations, let me know in the description box because it's not cheap. So I'm using it like it's water, literally. Like I need to relax. So let me know if you guys have any drugstore recommendations and I'll review them for you. So yeah, I'm going to continue with this Huda Beauty foundation for now, making sure everything is covered and even. And then I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight and contour kit to go under my eyes to brighten them up because these bags are designer, but they still need to be covered up. So yeah, I'm gonna use my thinner brush to just make that really opaque so you can't see any bags under the eyes. And then I'm gonna be blending that out. No, I'm gonna be adding my Fawn concealer to add some warmth to the concealer because the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight is a bit too bright. So then the Fawn concealer just adds some warmth and doesn't look ashy and crusty. And then I'm adding this on my chin, my upper lip, my forehead to brighten it up and bring some definition. Looking like I got a facelift. And then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. As per usual, this is my favorite method because it just leaves your face flawless. Blend, 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 blend it, blend, 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 blend. Yeah, just make sure everything's blended, everything's seamless, everything looks cute. And then I like layering my concealer, so I'm just going to go over it again just a little bit to make sure it's extra bright because I really want a really dramatic look, like I'm here, what's good, you know? Then I'm baking that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Well, not really baking, but just setting it because anybody got time for baking and that takes too long. Just actually takes too long, who's actually got time. And then I'm going over all the places that I added that concealer so it doesn't crease on me and it lasts all day. And then I'm using my Fenty Beauty contour stick to contour my face, add some warmth, add some definition, add some cheekbones. And then I'm just blending that all out. And then I'm reverse contouring my contour with my Fawn concealer again. And then blending it out with my foundation brush. So then this adds some warmth to the concealer because the concealer obviously is very bright. So the leftover foundation from the brush creates some... Okay, my mum is hoovering. What, sis? Okay, as I was saying... now I'm going to be baking that concealer and then I'm using my finishing powder from Black Opal to go over my contour to make sure it's not too dark. Like I'm kind of looking for a natural-ish look. I mean, how natural can I really get with a whole yellow and orange slapped on my eyelids? But anyway, and then I'm going over my nose contour as well slightly well, I'm just bronzing up my nose basically, and then blending everything out, removing all the excess powder with a brush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with my Makeup Revolution highlight in Rock on World as per usual. You've seen this a million times. It's my actual fave of all time, like of all time. And blending that out with a fan brush, putting some on my forehead, putting some on my nose, just ODing high key, like what's really new. So I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner, just a regular schmegular basic brown lip liner from Rimmel, and then I'm using this brown lipstick from Primark called Chocolate Brownie liquid lipstick. Still riding for this, like it's amazing. And then afterwards I'm going to be using some concealer in the middle just to lighten it up a little bit, and then add gloss. And then I'm going to be using the orange and yellow mixed together to create a nice blush colour, because I always use eyeshadows as blush, because at the end of the day blush is just a powder, so it's not that deep. Life hack number 2. Whoa, I had to pause my music because this is a little bit mad. I'm just using the Dazzle Dust by Barry M, and I'm finna just OD on the highlight, like sis. This is what you call blinding. Shh. Whoa. Are you seeing this? No, sorry, but this is dangerous. No, no way. So yeah, if you're looking for a mad highlight, guys, Barry M Dazzle Dust, I'm going to leave it in the description box because this is wild. Beep! I'm going to spray my face and finish the whole thing. And we're done. Huh. So quickly, I'm going to talk about this hair as well. This hair is from myfirstwigs.com. You can't even tell me that it's not cute because I already know. I don't even need to ask you, okay? It's the Carol Malaysian hair short lace bob in a natural colour, 16 inches of silky hair, medium brown lace. So silky, so soft, and I'm so here for it. It's going to be in the description box as well, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.